rated.
Ito si Brian, hindi naman kayo.
Papasok na naman ang kwadro. Holt left alone, and he burns Raider shine.
City o Manila ka pa, estudyante. Holiday ka pa bukas sa zona. As Raider shot, 2-3 sumasalubong. Esports to give it up once again.
Holt got away from his defender.
And nasa likod si Jabber, 3-1. Grigsby took the contact, threw it up. Will have to earn his points from the line.
Holt
Gives it up to RJ.
inside to Isaac. Isaac go. Nope. Grigsby chases after it.
Second quarter pa, bubuksan na natin.
Wow! Opens it up.
Mga series, Dr. J. Kaya kaping-kati yan na makapawi naman. Parang kina-coach.
John and the player.
Yeah,
Fuller, he's a special kind of import.
especially when
Rap on the run. Back over to RJ. They want to get Abarientos going. RJ creating for okay. Both teams now with 11 assists this game. Aguilar and Rosario, a steal by Jonard. Look at them touch it over to Andre.
Creations and seals on Aaron Fuller ang naging concern ng barangay at the half with Raider Shine leading 28.
Inside to Jabel. Rabel. Carino Bantay. Fuller got rid of it. No kumbabawi. Maibigay na maayos ni Noco, but Fuller picks it up. Aaron Fuller to the cup.
Seven in that second quarter.
7 minutes of wow, to Villegas. Kumake pa ng pasa si Luis. Fuller, gustong tumiin. Iniabot kay Manaytay. Nice fake. Christian hit. Minutos niya talaga. Pressure na yun. Grigsby with his first 2-pointer tonight.